Hello, my name is William Vinson. Yes, William is my, or yeswilliam.com is my website where you can get training to become a marketer, online marketer. In case you didn't know what kind of marketer I was talking about, I did leave that out, didn't I? Well, tonight I talked about yesterday about Manychat and Chatfuel, doing some research on them so I could figure out, I could show y'all how to do it. Well, I'm going to show you what I found out anyway. I don't know that I can show you yet, but I will eventually be able to. So I'm going to show you what I've done till now, and I'm going to take you through one of them a little bit because I just clicked in to show me more or whatever it is. But I'm going to show you this. First one's, let me get over here and I'll show you. This is Chatfuel to begin with. Now, believe it or not, that's what it is. So you had to go to Facebook, see, and it said, what pages do you want to use with Chatfuel? I'm going to use Williams Market, Handyman Toolshed. Handyman's Toolshed's another page I got, but I don't have the website anymore. But I keep the page because I share a lot of stuff with them. And I got 170 followers or whatever they're called, subscribers, likes, my channel on that. And we've been together for years now. So anyway, Williams Market's the one I'm using now. So okay, let's go with that. Guess I probably could have used, let's go back and put it on both of them just for the giggles, okay? I'll share it with them. Receive your email address, manage your pages. If you turn off, see, Chatfuel may not work properly if you turn off any of these options. Okay, so you go to there. Okay, now you've linked Chatfuel to Facebook. Now you had to do the same thing with Manychat, M-A-N-Y chat, and it basically starts the same. And this is what I'm gonna figure. We're going to connect it to this page. Okay, up to 1,000 subscribers is free, and that's what we want because this one starts at $15 a month for a full featured bot, unlimited subscribers, precise targeting with Facebook ads, multiple teammates, and priority support. Now, even though this one's $5 a month more than the other one, I think this one's going to be a little bit better plan just from what I've read here. I'm going to take you back here though. So this is Manychat, e-commerce template. Now, I might not have needed a mini e-commerce one, but I only had, let's see what I can back up to. I don't know that I can back up far enough. Let's go back to the beginning. Two bigger fingers, huh? Okay, here, call to action, a hero. Now these are two different websites, you understand. Both, they ain't the same. Manychat, but they do this, they got the same features. Now I didn't go to there. I don't know how it even decided to go to there. Manychat. Oh, I see why now. Text and image, call to action. Add a title. Let's see if we can add a title. Can't do nothing but call to action right now. Five keys. You can join the webinar, and that's probably what I'm gonna have to do just to continue this because there's more to this than I understand right now. And I hate this thing here too. I'm gonna figure out how to uninvolve it in my life too, along with that thing up in my browser. Anyway, I'm already already got an account, but join the free webinar, I think, at least, as long as this is still Manychat. And it's not. You would know. Let's try this one more time. Manychat login. I think that's the same. Yeah, see, I already started here. Look at there. Well, this isn't. You put your bot link in. You do basically the same thing I'm going to show you on the other one, but you're going to end up having to go. You get to the, and this one's $10 a month, and you got free video course on this too, and a messenger marketing and chat mastery. This is the courses, and I signed up for the course. All I got to do now is take the course. Now we're going to get over to the other one. Look, it's only 6 modules, so it should be pretty easy. I'll come back with what I've learned from that later. Maybe I can scoot through these things a little quicker. Okay, here is Chatfuel.
Hi there folks, Andrew at Chatfuel. Today I'm going to be teaching you the basics of every bot that you will create in Chatfuel.
Okay, did you hear that? He's going to teach you in this tutorial how you can create every bot you can create in Chatfuel. So there's this thing that you got to go through too. Now let's see where we were before we got to here. If we can get it to go backwards. Reload. Those are pretty cool little things. Okay, let's go back up here and do it like this. Dashboard. Okay. We did make some, see, I got signed in here too. I got 0 subscribers yet, but it has, you can go to the create a tool, but there's that thing again, man, I tell you, get to where I hate that. All the templates featured, and somewhere or another, when I first started this thing, I don't think it tells me in here. That was this, oh, I should have showed you that too, I guess. Okay, let's go to help here and see if help's got it. Getting started. Follow these simple steps to automate your inbox, improve conversions, quality leads, and drive business results. The basics and the plugins. We should tell me broadcasting, plugins, basics. So let's go back here. Getting started. Read this before building your first bot. It'll save time. Automate conversions. Pause the bot to close the deal. Send people to your bot. Segment contacts and export data. So this is what I've figured out. That is not one of those things that I'm going to learn in a day. Man, it's not one of those things that I'm going to learn in a day. So I'm going to have to spend a little bit more time exploring this. And you know, there's 2 courses here to take to learn both of them. But I think Chatfuel, from what I read, sounds better than Manychat's. But I imagine both of them would be good, because Manychat wanted you to check a platform, and I signed up under e-commerce platform. And I'm not sure that's really what I want to do or not. So I guess we'll have to figure that out on a different day. So for now, this is what I wanted to show you. I told you I was going to bring you here and teach you how to do that. And this is OBS, this share thing screen share program. And if you hadn't ever done any of this, it's a pretty interesting program. I don't know, I'm gonna close this screen down just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here, if it'll let me do that, and we'll show you what I'm doing on OBS. I figured some things out on it today too, quite by accident. So over here is your file for OBS, see, and you can go here. Let's see, it won't let me move up and because they go to full screen multi-view, but I don't know that it's doing it. You can see right over here in the corner, see I still got my thing, but I don't have that little square that you see everybody's picture in the little square in the corner. With this particular part of it, I don't have it. So I want to pull it back up, and there I am again. So you can do your, I don't know, I hadn't figured out yet how to keep it there other than do it this way. But when you get ready to stop, see, you can come over here to controls. You see controls here. Let's see if I can put them in here where you can see. And see, start streaming, start recording, studio mode, settings. Settings, let's see if it'll show me settings. I don't know if you can see that or not. But it's got all the settings, your audio, your video. Audio is pretty cool because you can use just the built-in microphones from what you're using here. General, it's got a dark theme in English. I remember learning that and you can also use hotkeys. You can make whatever keys you want to do just everything on here, because you can use an external camera too and use a hotkey to do it. Just remembering all those hotkeys is going to be the deal. And don't know that I want to start trying to remember hotkeys right now. When I get more into using this, maybe I'll do that. So that's that. Now right here, I started the recording before I started this, and stopping it, we'll put it into I come over here to my Finder. In case none of y'all use a Mac, this is a Finder. This is the Finder. And come down here to Creative Cloud, and it puts it in here, the videos. There's one that I made right there. And you can take these things out and put them on the desktop, and then when you open up your editing program, and I'm going to learn how to use ScreenFlow too, but you can put them over there. See, I'm learning so much right now, it's kind of hard to keep up with everything. That's why I don't need any hotkeys to have to worry about that. I'd have to have a list next to me to be able to remember that. But this is where this video is going to end up, and I can put it in the side here and edit it in case I was to want to. Not really concerned about wanting to. Now, if you're on a Windows computer, you'll have to figure it out on your own, because I don't know. I hadn't tried it on my Windows computer yet. I'm still working on keeping it on my Mac, because from all they say, this Mac will do a lot more than those Windows. That Windows slow, though. That's my problem with it. This is a lot quicker. So anyway, I don't know whether you enjoyed what you saw or not. Maybe so. If you did, tell me about it. And I'm going to figure out about Manychat and Chatfuel, so maybe next time, well, maybe not next time, I'm going to learn it first. Learn enough to be able to at least show you what to do. And then come back and show you how to do it after I've already accomplished it. So, subscribe, comment, and like, in case you liked it. Hopefully you learned something. I mean, you know what they look like now anyway. And you know what they do. You know what the mini bots do, don't you? They get on your Messenger and they reach whoever on Messenger, just like your Facebook ads, except these are on Messenger. So if you learn mini bots or Chatfuel, you'll be advertising on Messenger instead of on Facebook, which is part of Facebook, but you know how that goes. And it's a robot, so it reacts according to the action. Somebody's got to take action before it'll react to it. So, it'll have the little thing up there. That was what I was going to show you that I X'd out. I should have left it up there because it gave you an example. Anyway, if you get into exploring that, I'll tell you what, I'll run back through it and see, for instance, because it's on Manychat, and see it says right here, follow this link if you want to see a sample. So let's go there and follow that link. I'm going to open a new window so you can see what a chatbot does anyway. And to get that thing out of my way every time. I don't even know how I got it, but I'm going to figure out how to get rid of it. So this is what the Minibot does. It says, Manychat e-commerce template, 10 people like this. Now I had to, when I first put this up there, I had to push the get started at the bottom. And it says your image goes here. And this is all, so if you got anything to say about it, you can specify domains for which you'd like to enable. I'd rather do that than have it there all the time. Okay, so you type a comment in there. And see what it does. Look, see how a bot works. You ask it a question, William. You can get more information by typing in the following keywords about products, location, or contact, or just use one of the buttons below. So let's look at our products. See what comes up next. You see how a robot works. And this is all in Messenger. So in case you've never used Messenger before, this is how it works. And I'm pretty sure on your phone it'll have pretty much the same thing. And it'll respond when somebody takes action. Otherwise, it doesn't do anything. It's just there. So in case you're paying per click, you'll understand what all that is. Okay, I know this has probably been long enough already. So I'm going to go up here to stop recording and be done with this one. I'm going to post it up so y'all can check it out. And hopefully you'll understand a little bit more about what bots do. And you got 2 places you can go to set them up. And later on, I'll show you how I set them up. And you understand a little bit more about OBS too, maybe. I don't know, but it'll still keep coming. It'll come in bits anyway. Okay, y'all have a good night. Remember to subscribe.